It's still early spring and I'm going to sketching. Today I choose for sketching old ruin of castle and we will see how it's go. It's a bit of a hike. I'm almost there. This is Starý Jičín Castle. It was originally a wooden fortress replaced by a Gothic castle in the early 13th century. Today only ruins remain. In the 1990s the main tower was restored and that's what I'm going to sketch today. It got so cold I actually hesitated for a second whether to even unpack my stuff, but then I thought I'll just give it a try, and I'm really glad I did. I started with a pencil sketch, but this time I think I went a bit overboard. I usually prefer to keep the pencil work minimal so I don't end up with drawing everything twice. But this time it didn't quite work the way I hoped. Then I switched to my favorite fountain pen with carbon platinum black ink and I am sketching to my nearly finished A4 size Etcher sketchbook. I thought this would be a simpler subject for drawing, but it has its own challenges. It doesn't seem like it, but it's very windy and cold. I'm starting to shake all over, but I want to finish as much as I can on location. Yeah, this roof structure gave me quite a hard time, and it probably shows that I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm never quite sure how many details to include, but I think it's better to suggest things rather than drawing everything too precisely. But sometimes it's very hard to find a line. I think this time I added much more details that it actually needed. When I started putting down the watercolor, the sun had already slipped behind the clouds, but its yellow glow was still coming through and lit up part of the sky. It was pretty cold, and paper wasn't drying well, despite the wind. The ink stayed wet, although I tried give it some time. I tried to finish the first wash very quickly. Trying if it's dry enough, but so-so. I'm adding some shadows as a second layer. Unfortunately, it just wouldn't dry at all and I couldn't get any contrast on the page. On top of that, I was frozen stiff, so I decided to call it a day and finish it at home. And here is a finished sketch. Thank you for watching and see you next time.